Sí se puede. All right, so we did turn drill. Salsa with Joe turn drill. We already done some of the things on one, so go back to the video. We did the first class. What did we do, Jessa? We did the turns. Yeah, it wasn't a drill, it was just separate. But we did it on one. We already covered those, so go back to that. So we're gonna do it on two, on two. Okay, so with basics and without basics. First one with basic. 5, 6, 7. On two basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Left turn. 2, 3, 5. Basic. 2, 5. Right turn. 1, 2, 5. 1, 3. Right turn with hook. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Double left. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7. Basic. Inside. 1, 2, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Dionilsa. Outside turn. 1, 2, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Yes? Now let's do it without a basic. You ready? Okay. Sí se puede. 5, 6, 7. 1. It's gonna be a lot of suspicious activity. Basic. Go. Cha cha cha. 2, 3, 6, 7. Yes? That was it for today. Thank you guys. What's the other one?